morning, it's Sandy, and today we have another episode of Behind the Polish. So I renamed the series because a lot of you guys mentioned that Behind the Polish sounded cuter than Behind the Nails, and I totally agree. Polish is super cute. Cute Polish, Polish Blast, Behind the Polish. So I renamed the series. This series, by the way, is inspired by cute girls' hairstyles. They're my friends and I love them so much. Make sure to check their channel out right here. On today's episode, I'm going to another nail event in Toronto. So I thought I'd vlog it for you guys because I know you guys loved the last one. I had so many positive comments from you guys. It made me so happy. So I'm really excited to continue this series for you guys. If you love this vlog series, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below so you don't miss another episode. So I thought I'd do a quick outfit of the day for you guys. I'm wearing this really pretty black top that I got from RW&Co. I really love the lace detailing on it. It's so feminine and pretty. I love it. And the shorts are light pink and they're also from RW&Co. And I have these nude flats because I love comfy shoes, and these are from Naturalizer, meaning they're extra comfy. And for my earrings, I have these little, these little pink rosettes, which I think looks really cute with the shorts. We're headed out shopping. I'm dragging the hubby along. Hey guys, so we're headed to the Sally Hansen event. They have a new product launch today, so I'm really excited to see what it's all about. I'm going to be vlogging it for you guys so we can both share the experience together. Here with Madeline Poole, which is Sally Hansen's nail art ambassador. So I'm really excited to meet her. I'm a really big fan of her work. She's gonna be doing my nails today, which is really exciting, and I'm gonna show you guys the process and the look at the end. You guys enjoyed that footage from the event. Thank you so much, Sally Hansen, for inviting me. I had such a great time, and a big thank you to Madeline for doing my nails. I love them. They're so cool. They're like biological looking. They remind me of microbes. Very, very cool. So guys, as you saw, Sally Hansen's new nail polish line is oil-based. That's crazy. The L'Oreal event I was at last week also had oil-based nail polishes, so I'm seeing a trend. And you guys asked me, what's the benefit of these oil-based nail polishes? Well, they've been telling me that it is more moisturizing to the nail plate, which is really cool, but it still lasts up to 10 days. So I have one more thing to share with you guys before I go. As you saw earlier, I went shopping, but I didn't show you what I got. I actually went to Tiffany's and I picked up this really, really pretty and gorgeous bracelet. It has a little pink heart on it, which reminds me of, can you guys guess? The CutePolish logo. So I had to get it. It's from their classic heart tag collection, so it has the Return to Tiffany's on the other side. But I didn't just get one for myself. I kind of splurged and got 5 more. I know, how crazy, right? So I got one for each of the girls in the CutePolish crew. So as you guys know, there's 5 of us who make up CutePolish now. There's myself, Hannah, Miri, Minnie, and Juli. So they're all incredible nail artists, and I feel so happy and so blessed to have them as part of the channel here. It used to be lonely with just me, but now there is just so much variety on here, and we all make such a great team together, and I know you guys have been loving it, so it's so, so awesome. But that only makes up 5 bracelets. I have 6 in total. 5 there, 1 here. So who could the last one be for? One of you guys. So I really want to give back because you guys are incredible. So if you'd like to enter to win this bracelet, all you have to do is click the link in the description box. And that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more vlogs, if you'd like me to add more videos to this series. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd also like to know what you'd like to see in the next vlog. Give me some ideas below. I'd love to know. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. This has been so much fun. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!